Hey guys, I'm back on the road. This time I'm on my way to Coed in beautiful Wales. It's been a while since I was here. I still enjoy it. So anyhow, what's the plan? So I have about a 1.5 hour ride from here to Coed in Wales. I stay there in a hut for maybe 2 days, and then I drive over to the coast and there I stay another week, driving around, enjoying the view and generally just chill out. I know you may be wondering why I'm driving down the expressway, but to be honest, it's just easier. Up there, if I drive along the coast, there's not much to see. It's all industrial, so I'm not bothering. And to be honest, I did it so often. Here we go. Big interruption. Welcome to Wales. Looks like it I'm driving into crap weather. Yep, down there's definitely rain. You may not seeing it, but in the mountains I can see it through here. And that's where I'm heading to. Over there, the snowy mountains of Wales. Check this out for the view. Pretty cool, isn't it? So I have to get up this A road now. I think I have to fill up. There's a petrol station on the roundabout. So here we are. Number 3, please.
£17 and 61p.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. So guys, I just filled up. Now I have another 17 miles to go. Excellent, thank you. Check out these tiny little shops everywhere. Let's go down the old road. So here we are in Coed. Really nice place. Check this out. How about this for the water feature, hey? Here we are.